Alright guys, Vlogtober day number 2. Happy Vlogtober guys. So we're going into this vintage market, just like a flea market here. I've been here maybe twice since they've been here in the last 20 years. Angelina wanted to stop in, so let's go and see what new things they have got. It's an old-timey exercise bike. Look at that seat. A lot, but I don't have enough neck. Alright, so you guys know how I feel about little things. Look at this little bitty cast iron. I love it. So cute. But I do not need another cast iron, so I'm gonna leave that one there. She's found some albums, some vintage vinyl. You guys see this? Okay, is this worth it? Look at this. Alright, so look at the price on this. $20. Now, is there something extra? Now, is there something extra special about this pot that makes it $20? It's literally made of tin. I'm gonna leave it out of this booth. I'm leaving out of this booth immediately. It's foolishness. Guys, this is like the sign from the restaurant Carino's that closed down. I think they closed down the year COVID hit in 2020. So it is here in the vintage market for sale.
How did you get that?
Like how they got it, I don't know. Why someone would want it, I don't know. Somebody let me know if you guys know why anybody would want this.
I would want that in my house.
You would?
Yeah, I just put it on the wall randomly. Like, yeah.
Okay, she's weird.
Quite cool.
Everybody, she's very strange. It's an interesting chair. So look at this vintage carousel. So it actually has like the pedals down there. Isn't that neat?
I want to find the Temptations Christmas album.
Isn't that neat? All right, guys, I really like this. It would look great in our formal dining room. I'm thinking about getting it. So guys, you see like booths like this, they seem like they have a lot of really cool things, but all this stuff in here, I don't know where to focus. It's so clogged, and I just wish they could straighten it up a little. And then I'd love to come in and shop, but it's too much stuff. It's too much. Wow. I am back home now, and my head was hurting so bad, and I realized the time is 5:57. I have had nothing to eat today. Absolutely nothing. All I've put in my mouth are my vitamins and some sea moss gel. That's it. So I am starving. I'm getting ready to get me something to eat. Let me show you guys what I'm having. All right, so this is what I'm having. My husband got a roasted chicken from Sam's Club. So I've got, of course, my Wingstop ranch. And then I put some of the chicken breast on there. I have some cucumber, tomato, of course, my cheddar cheese, and, you know, I gotta have my crispy onions. And this is going to be my first and probably only meal of the day. I mean, it's 5 already, so I'm not gonna be eating anything else. But this is going to be dinner. I'm starving, guys, so I'm fixing to eat. Okay, everybody, so first of all, my dinner was fantastic. Okay, there's nothing like just food when you're hungry. Okay, I was hungry. It was a salad with chicken in it. It wasn't special, but it was fabulous because I was starving. Okay, that's usually how it is. But anyway, I just wanted to show you guys this. I did a video, well, Angelina and I did a video over on TikTok. We tried out some Starfruit, and I love it. I'm in love with it now. And so I wanted to share it here on my YouTube channel as well. I don't know if you guys have had Starfruit. If you have, let me know in the comments below. But for those of you who have not, I do not know if this is low carb. I'm pretty sure that it's not. I will look up the carbs, the net carbs that are within Starfruit, but it's so delicious. It is so juicy. It's like tangy and sour-like and has a little bit of sweetness. I love it. But I'm going to just show you guys how to cut this up. And I'm going to snack on just a little bit of this because I'm craving something sweet. I'm really craving sweets, guys. So this is going to have to do it for me because I don't want to mess up. I've been eating pretty good here lately. Now, before, you know, when I haven't been vlogging and doing all that, y'all been eating whatever I wanted to eat. Just in all honesty. But I got to get back on track. I've got to lose 10 pounds by the end of the week. I don't know if that's possible, but I'm certainly going to shoot for it. Anyway, let me show you how I cut up this Starfruit. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is cut off the ends. Okay. And then we cut off the tips of the little ends of the, I don't know what you call them, but we cut off these little tips just like this. Okay, we just cut these off just like this. Try to hurry up because my phone is dying. Got that notification. All right, like that. And then you simply slice it. Now, first things first, make sure you wash the Starfruit really well. Make sure I tell you that. So what I'll usually do, so what I did was I run it under the water and I use a paper towel and I rub it all over, all in between the grooves and everything right here. I just clean it off really well. Okay, now you can slice this as thick or as thin as you like. This is good for me for now. It has seeds in it, so I'm gonna pick these out. So, and that's it. You've got Starfruit. Y'all don't look at that nail that's missing. So I'm pointing like this. You've got Starfruit. Okay, and of course it does look like a little star. Now that's what it looks like when it has like the little seeds in it. So you want to pick those out because I don't want to crunch on any seeds, and I'm sure you don't either. Oh, my camera is crooked. All right, that's a little bit better. Okay, and we finished getting the seeds out. All right, and you've got Starfruit. That's really, really good. So, delicious. It's usually going to be in the section of in the produce section, of course, but where they have all tropical fruit. So if you have a Kroger in your area, you'll want to go to the little tropical fruit section. That's usually where the Starfruit will be. But anyway, I just wanted to share that with you guys. Let me know if you've had Starfruit. And if you eat it a different way, like with something, let me know, okay? Because it's so good. And somebody was telling me on my TikTok that I should juice them. That the juice is really delicious because they really are really juicy. So, but anyway, that's it, guys. That's Starfruit. All right, guys, so I just made my Premier Protein shake with the triple shot of espresso. I actually reverted. I went back and I started drinking all the other stuff that I stopped drinking. So now I'm back on track. I've been watching my eating really well today, a little bit yesterday, but after yesterday, I feel so much better and it was easier to do it today. So anyway, I'm going to end the night with this, my Premier Protein shake and triple shot of espresso. All right, everybody, here's Rico. It's been a while since you have seen him. Say, hey, buddy. Say, hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Are you going to say it for us? Say, hey, buddy. He can say, hey, buddy, everybody. Say, hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. All right. No dancing. Can you just say, hey, buddy? Yay, he said it. Say it again, one more time. Hey, buddy. Here you go. Yay. He said it again. Hey, buddy.
I heard you the whole way.
All right, guys, I was getting ready to close out the vlog, and I realized I didn't show you what I got from the Vintage Mart. So I just ended up getting earrings. So let me just show you what I got. I didn't realize that I ended up getting all black earrings. So anyway, let me just show you what I got. I got these right here. I thought that they were so cute. Those right there. I got these right here. I think they're really cute as well. I think I showed you guys this when I was in the mart. And I got these. I was showing my oldest daughter these right here, and I realized she was like, "In one longer than the other?" And it is. These right here are longer than these. So I'm just going to take some of these off so that they match this one. There's a little string hanging too. But anyway, I really like these. I like them. So I'm going to have to fix these two strings hanging and then those right there. But these were like $2.95 each. So I thought that those were pretty good for most of these. Got these right here. Okay, I think they're really cute. I got these right here. Oh, let me turn them on. These right here. They're cute as well. And then lastly, I got these right here. I actually think these might be my favorite ones. They are so cute, but I love them. But all right, guys, that is it for today's video. I'm going to close this vlog out right here and pray that you and your family have a blessed and a prosperous week this week. I will catch up with you guys again tomorrow for Vlogtober day number 3. So until then, you guys have a fabulous evening. God bless, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.